In this video, I'm going to teach you every single feature you need to know within TradingView, how to set it up in your laptop or desktop, and it's also available for mobile phones, so you can go to your Google Play Store or your App Store to download it. So go to your laptop browser and visit the website tradingview.com. Now this is the overview of the website. So to get started, you need to create an account. So click on the Get Started blue icon on the top right hand side. Okay, so here you can sign in if you already have an account, or if you don't have, you click on sign up. Okay, and you can choose to sign up with your Gmail account, or just pause the video here and create an account. So after creating your account, you log in. Now go over to products and click on super shots. So you'll be brought to this screen. It will automatically default to showing you some random stock or any other trading instruments that it wants to, and you will have one indicator here, this indicator here, and that indicator is called the volume indicator. So you can remove it here. Just click on this bin icon. It says remove. So we don't have the indicator on our chart again. All right, now first I want to talk about this top toolbar right here, this top one. So I'll be explaining from left to right, starting from the symbol search. So if you click on the symbol search, this is where you can switch to different assets you want to trade. You have stocks, you have funds, futures, forex, crypto, indices, bonds, economy, options. So our focus is on forex. Now let's go to forex, and I will just clean this out, swipe this out, and search for GBP USD. So you can see there's a lot of GBP USD here from different brokers. So I'll go for, so I personally make use of the FXCM broker, which is this first one here. So just go ahead and click it. Now this is the GBP USD chart. So next is the compare or add symbol. I never use this, so we're going to skip over that. Next is the time frame, of the chart. When you click it, you have a drop down of the various time frames you have access to in your trading view. You can see you have access to time frames from as low as 1 second up to 12 months. Okay, now anything below 1 second is a paid feature. You have to pay to be able to access this one tick and whatever is here. Okay, so currently we are on the daily time frame. Now there's something I want you to do. You can click on this star icon here to add the daily time frame to your favorite time frame. Also add the 4 hours, the 1 hour, and 15 minutes. In doing so, you'll be able to access the various time frames easily just above here. No need dragging this no need going to this through this menu again. You can just click on your favorite time frame from here directly. Okay. Now next is the candles. By default, we're already on the Japanese candlestick, but there are other various ways to view the price movements of an asset. We have the bars, the holo candles, volume candles, line, and so on and so forth. All these are advanced advanced charting. There are advanced ways of viewing the price movements. So majority of traders stick to the Japanese candlestick. So I advise you just stick to the candles. All right. So next is indicators, metrics, and strategies. Let me just say indicators. So click on it. Um, Here you will find indicators that you can include on your charts. Most of the indicators here are inbuilt by TradingView, while some are created by developers. So those ones created by developers, they are not always made free for all users. You must be on a paid version before you can access some of the indicators here. Okay, so let me just add one indicator to the charts, like the moving average, simple moving average. So that's it. Okay, then let me add in indicators. There's also what we call oscillators. Oscillator is also a type of indicator. Like your RSI is an oscillator, and when you add it to your charts, it creates its own section on your charts, which is this indicator here on the bottom. This is the RSI. Okay. Now in the free version, you only have access to three indicators. You can't use more than three indicators, and I don't think it's two now, but I don't know. It's within two to three indicators that's allowed for free users. But when you subscribe, you can use as much indicators as you want. Next is indicator templates. I don't make use of it, so we'll skip that. Create alerts. Okay. Now this alert icon or feature is for you trader, and maybe you want to set an alert on the on price. Let's assume you want to set an alert on this price 1.2887. That once price gets there, you should receive a notification. Next is the bar replay. Now this is the most valuable feature of a TradingView platform. This bar replay helps in backtesting your strategy. Okay, it's you can only get access to it in the premium version of TradingView. Okay, what's its function is that when you're backtesting, you can just simply erase some of the candlesticks that was already formed on the charts to any time, any period you want, so that you can backtest your strategy properly and see how effective it is in the market. Okay. Next is the undo button. It's self-explanatory. So in a situation whereby you you were carrying out analysis of your chart and you deleted an object or a tool, but you want to add it back, you can simply just come to this undo button. It's going to revert everything you've done. Okay. Next is the select layouts. Okay, I don't really make use of it. So normally this is how it looks. If you want to divide your screen into two horizontal parts or vertical parts, into four parts, any number of sections you want, is where you come to. Okay, it's only available for the premium users. And next is where you save all your charts. It's where you save your charts. After your analysis, you click on this place to save your charts. So next is the manage layout icon. So there you can see where you can save your layouts. You can also activate auto save so you don't have to be clicking save all the time. Then where you can share your share the link to your charts for everyone. Where you can rename it, make a copy, export chart data, and so on. Next is the quick search. If you want to search anything on your trading view, is where you go to. Next is the chart settings. So in the chart settings, you can see the color of the candlesticks, the body color, border color, the wick color. Here you can edit them, or it's better I just leave it at default. Here you can also change the status line, your scales and lines. You can change the colors to any color you want, even your time zone, your time hours formats. You can change all of them here. Then canvas, that's the color, the background color of your charts and everything. You can edit everything here. Okay, next is the full screen mode. So when you click it, your chart will expand and cover up the whole of your laptop screen. Okay, then we have the take a snapshot. If you want to take a screenshot of your charts, that's where you go to take a snapshot. Now onto the left toolbar. This is where you are going to have tools that you can use to draw on your charts. You can use those tools to do your technical analysis and to show you the market structure. So the first tool here is the crosshair. Call it the crosshair. So you can change it to dot, arrow, whatever you want, but just leave it in this cross. Okay. And next on this tool is your trend line. Your trend line. There are various trend lines here. You have the ray, info line, horizontal line, parallel line. There are so many. So my advice is you put your drawing tools you use frequently in favorites, so you don't have to come to these two bars all the time. So I always make use of the trend line, so I'm just going to add it to my favorites. Okay. I also make use of the horizontal ray. I'll add it to my favorites. Okay. So next here we have the fee retracements. Okay. Fee retracements too. I make use of it, so I'll add it to my favorites. There are also other tools here, but I can't explain them in this video. Next is the XABCD pattern. There are various patterns here. This is advanced technical analysis. Okay, I can't teach you in this video also. Next is the long position. Now this long position and short position, are very important too, so just add them to your favorites. Okay, so let me just show you what they do. um the long position helps you set your take profit and stop loss on a trade. This red part is stop loss, and this what's the color here, and this green part is the take profit. Okay, then for the short position, I can just place it here. Stop loss and take profits. Okay, let me delete that back. The next is the brush. This tool is mostly if you want to write something on the charts, like, yeah, draw anything on the charts. That's what you use a brush for. Now there are other tools in this brush section. You have the highlighter, arrow marker, the rectangle, and other shapes here. I make use of the rectangle a lot, so I'm just going to add it to my favorite also. The rectangle is something you can use to mark up important zones on the charts. Next tool here is the text. So whenever you want to add text to your charts, this is where you come to. There are different tools for adding different text and notes on the charts. So the one I make use of is the normal text. The next tool is icon. Whenever you want to add emojis to your chart, this is where you come to. There are a lot of emojis here you can choose from. Next is measure. It's like a measuring tool. Use it to measure the amount of pips a move created, either amount of pips or the number of candlestick within this range. Okay, that's what this measurement tool is used for. So next we have the zoom in or zoom out. Okay, you can actually do that with your mouse. So next is the magnet mode, which snaps drawings placed near price bars to the closest open, high, low, or close value. I don't really make use of this tool. Next is stay in drawing mode. Okay, I don't make use of it too. Lock all drawings. Alright, so if after analyzing your charts, you want to lock all the drawings so that if you mistakenly touch it, it won't move from its initial position, then you have to make use of this lock all drawings. Next is hide all drawings. If you want to hide all the analysis you've made on your charts, this is where you go to. Okay. And lastly, yes, remove objects. If you want to remove all the objects you've drawn on your charts, this is where you go to. Okay. So now let's look at the chart screen itself from the top part here. This top part to always show you the assets that you are looking at. For example, now we're looking at the British pound against the US dollar, and after that you can see the time frame here. That's 1 hour time frame. Next to it is the broker that we're using. That's the FXCM. So after the broker, here you find the OHLC values of a candlestick. OHLC stands for open, high, low, close values. Then below here is the bid and ask price, is the sell price and the buy market price. Then in between is the spread. Okay. Then right here is the indicator on the chart. Currently we have the simple moving average on the chart. So that's it here. While at the bottom of the screen you will find your oscillators. Here we have the RSI. Also at the bottom of the screen you can change the charts to show you multiple months, like a 6-month chart. This is the 6-month chart in 2 hours intervals. You can as well go to the 3 months in 1 hour intervals. Also 1 month in 30 minutes intervals. The 5 days in 5 minutes interval, 1 day in 1 minute intervals, and year to day in 1 day intervals, and so on and so forth. Then on this part, this calendar icon, if you click on it, you can custom the price range you want to view. Okay, and this is the 4 hours time frame. Now the right hand side of the chart screen the shows you the price of the assets. You can see them here, various prices of these assets. They are all displayed here at the right hand side of the chart screen. Now the right hand side of the whole screen, you will see all of the assets that are available for you to analyze and trade. By default, everything will be showing. So what I do is I delete the assets that I don't trade. Just click on this bin icon here. Um, delete everything, leaving only the forex pairs I trade. Okay. Okay. Leaving only the forex pairs I trade: Euro USD, GBP USD, and USD JPY. The far end of this right hand side of the screen, you can see the watch list details and news. Next is alerts. There's where you can view the alerts you set on your charts. Below is data window, object tree, and data window. I don't really make use of all these icons here. So this is everything you need to know about the trading view for now. I will show you how to use all these tools I have explained to you in my video about technical analysis. I think that will be my next video. So just if this is your first time on my YouTube channel, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit the like button.